What I love about living here in Lenore, North Carolina, a very small town, is being able to walk over to someone's house and ask to borrow sugar, or drive down the street and see cows and animals, and they're just everywhere around here. But there's some drawbacks, I guess you could say, here. My bus ride is an hour long, and so with helping out around the house and homework and school, it's very hard sometimes.
This is Gamewell Middle School. We are located in the foothills of North Carolina. So this is a rural area. We have a significant portion of our students who do not have access to Wi-Fi or technology outside of school. And so there's always this worry that our students that don't have those resources, that they'll be behind.
With rolling study halls, Google provides Wi-Fi access on the school buses here at Gamewell Middle, along with devices and onboard educators for kids that may not have access at home.
A lot of our students have commutes that are 2 or 3 hours long. With rolling study halls, and that's 2 to 3 hours a day that they have a chance to solidify what they're being taught and what they're learning in class.
Now that I have Wi-Fi on the bus, I'm able to get most of my homework done before I even step foot in the door.
The use of technology on buses gives an opportunity for all of our students to keep up. And so what we see are consistencies in learning, consistencies in growth. When students experience that amount of success, it completely changes the way they view themselves.
Having Wi-Fi on the bus has helped a lot and it has improved my grades. I went from making like a C in my high school class to an A. What I want to be in when I grow up is a lawyer, because I realized I like the idea of being able to help people. I know being a lawyer will take lots of work and lots of responsibility, but I know if I put my mind to it, I can do it.